Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Word. What I want to look at in this session is a new feature called block authors. So let's get rid of that. So you can see on the review tab here, block authors. So what this allows you to do is stop us editing a block of text when you've not finished. So basically I'll just type in some auto text and get some auto text on the screen. So let's say I don't want this changed by anybody. I can highlight that or part of that and then just select block authors, and then you get this little notification there. Will stop anybody over typing this while you're still working on it, and then you can knock this off once you've completed it, and then that will allow people to edit a document. So that's basically how it works. So let's see what you'll get in terms of using a shared document. So what I've got is if I go onto my team site, I've just uploaded this document. So let's see if I can get this open. And what I want to do is open it in the desktop app. Which it did. Okay, it took a little while. So let's say I'll share this with Ashley. So I'll just share this with a colleague. Ashley and is in this team anyhow, so we should see this. Highlight that block and then go onto the review tab and block authors for that block. So this is on auto save, so it's part of Office 365, it's saving it still. And then once it's saved, I will close it and then I'll log on as Ashley. There it's saved, so I'll just close that down now, Control W. I'll go back onto the internet and I've got Ashley logged on a different browser here. So if I just come out of this and go into that and just refresh this window so it picks up that file. So under manual, under files, there's that align file. So if I open that, and now you can see when I open this file that I get a little indication there, paragraph locked by Alana Saxton. So basically, if I try and type on there, which I'm trying to do now, it won't let me. If I try and type there or do some formatting, it does let me. So until Alana unlocks this, meaning she's finished in this paragraph or this section, if you're doing a big document, I can't do anything to that. Even if I didn't like what she was doing, I'd have to get in touch with her and tell her to unlock it. And I would only be able to do that if I was her boss. So that's basically what that block authors feature does in Word. I think it's quite a cool little feature when you're collaborating on documents. But that's all I want to talk about for this little bit. So hopefully that was of use to you, and I'll see you on the next one.